Hey, what's up, my YouTube friends? So I was out here at the creek testing some more bushcraft-oriented knives. I'm busting out a lot of videos today, and I figured in between, I'll just give you a quick show and tell of this knife, right? Wartech knife. This is a Wartech dagger, the tech of war. Alright, this is classic mall ninja. Right, but we have nothing against that on this channel. It takes all kinds, man. This is the sheath that it came in. It is a molded synthetic sheath with slots and eyelets. Belt loop there. Buckle. Retaining strap. Has a collar that locks it in. Alright. Yeah, the reason I wanted to check this out is just because I did find the blade shape to be pretty darn cool. Is what it comes down to. Now I don't have any paper out here, but I did try it out a little bit. It's pretty sharp. I'd give the edge like maybe a B+. Right, it's pretty sharp. You could make it sharper. It's kind of weird, right? But you know, it's like that girl that she looks kind of weird, but you're not sure if you're attracted or what. But you kind of want to take a closer look. Yeah. Extra wide, but it's a dagger. This is double-edged. All right, double-edged. And it gets asymmetrical right down here, right? It's symmetrical until that point, and then they spring that on you. Oh, sorry about any wind noise. All right, we got real world conditions here. It's got a lanyard slot, an extended tang, true full tang, but it is fairly thin stock, especially for a dagger, fairly thin. That's one of the things I would change about this. But look at that blade shape. I think this has a lot of promise. I just feel like it should be about 2 inches longer and definitely thicker stock. That would be that would be an impressive knife, right? So I think I see where they're going with this, right? I see where they're going with this, but I think they should just go a little farther, right? I'd be willing to pay more if it was like the same thing, but just a more substantial knife, right? Some knife makers should make this, right? They should make this, but thicker, bigger, more in charge. All right, let's cut at least one thing. It feels a little dirty not cutting something in a video, even though really I think this is for soft flesh. This isn't for anything even as hard as this shard of wood, but I have some of these shards of wood for, like I said, testing some bushcraft stuff out here. So whatever, we'll just cut one of these just to encourage some usage of a blade. But yeah, this thing is really just a collectible, or for tough times, for giving someone a hard time. Relatively sharp. The only thing is I can't do the cutting like this. I guess I could push on that part. A little bit awkward. Yeah, we'll just do it this way. Yeah, I hope you're all doing well these days. It's warmed up a little bit since I've been here since early morning, guys, working hard for you. All right, there we go. All right, made a pointy stick, another pointy stick for you. Because it is so extra wide for a dagger, when I saw the picture, the knife looked a lot bigger, right? Because that kind of tricks you out. Those proportions will trick you out. In fact, you guys seeing it here, you might think this is bigger, but no. No, like you can see the scale. I have a large size hand, and so it's just like, you know, just right to there on a large size hand. So if you had even extra large hands, it's not even going to reach the end, right? So, yeah. This was $30 on Temu. I feel like it's more like worth $20. Now that I have it in hand and I'm not just looking at a picture, yeah, honestly, I feel it would be cool for $20 would be a fair price. And knowing Temu, they probably will discount it to that or even less. I mean, at some point, unless they sell out of them, at some point they might even be selling this thing for $10 because their prices are just all over the place there, and anything for a buck. But yeah, I thought you would at least appreciate knowing that this exists. I want to see more of these. You know, the Tops knife, it's like a Gladius Dagger. The thing is like $200 or more. I keep waiting for it to come down to reality, like 160, like a lot of Tops knives get down to that, but it hasn't. So yeah, I'm boycotting them until they make it more affordable. But this, yeah. Oh, and about Temu, I avoided Temu just because I wasn't sure about it, but I subscribed to a lot of people, and some of the people I subscribed to basically used it and it worked out. Okay, so it's just another Amazon. The only thing is, the difference between Temu and Amazon has more Chinese stuff. No, seriously, it does, because Amazon's so much bigger. So don't, I mean, if that's an issue, don't shop it either. All right, my friends, that was quick and dirty, just how you like it. Now in the comments, give me some engagement. Tell me how you're doing, or tell me if like me, you think this blade shape has a lot of promise. All right, if you enjoy videos like this, seeing all kinds of stuff, be sure to subscribe to me. Most of you probably already are, especially if you made it to this far into the video. Those are my ride or die people, who I really appreciate. All right, well, I hope you enjoyed the video. I'm out.